In today's video, we'll be creating an adjustable snake knot paracord bracelet. Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. So the snake knot is back and we're doing it adjustable style, but slightly different. As you can see, it's got this kind of separate core and we're using 2 scaffold knots to make it adjustable. So super simple on this one, but again, just a different take on how to wear the snake knot bracelet. This one turned out really well. I love it. So remember guys, huge thank you to my Patreon supporters. You guys are making a huge difference for me. And if you want access to exclusive tutorials and the monthly giveaway that we do every month, you can check out my details on my Patreon page, links in the video and down below. Also, if you're looking for where to get paracord, feel free to check out those affiliate links as well. All right, so that being said, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I've got my first piece of paracord that I'm working with. This is going to be the core of the bracelet. So we're doing the sliding knot or adjustable bracelet. So we're going to double our cord over like this. Just make a loop in the middle. And now we're going to tie a scaffold knot on each side. So let's do that first. The way we tie our scaffold knot, we're going to go in front once around and go a second time around, and then bring that same cord and put it underneath both of those loops. Just get that through there. Okay. Now give it a bit of adjustment and pull it shut. Okay, so that's on one side. Let's do the same thing on this side. So again, same thing, loop around once, second time, and then put that underneath. See that X there? Put it underneath and through. Okay. So we have a bit of excess cord. You can always adjust the size, right? But make sure that when you put the bracelet on, this is the kind of position you sort of want it to be in. Okay, so before tying the snake knot, have your sliding knot bracelet in the closed position. So when this is on your wrist, this is how much space is going to be here. Okay, that's how you're going to determine how much snake knot you can tie. Because if you make it too big, expand it too much and you tie too much snake knot, you won't be able to close the bracelet properly, right? So this is how it's going to fit on my wrist. I left a little bit of a gap just to accommodate for the thickness of the snake knot. So let's take our 2 main color cords. We're going to just situate them like this. So with the red in the middle and the color on each side. Now you're going to take the strand on the right and you're going to just wrap it around like so. Wrap it behind. So it's a little finicky at first, but you want this navy around both colors. And then you're going to take the tan color, you're going to bring it to the other side like so, and then put it through this gap here and pull that all the way through. So we're just essentially tying a snake knot around both colors, or everything, about around the core strand, and then you're going to tighten that up. Okay. Then pull that tight, adjust it. You don't have to leave that much excess here. You can shorten that. We will have to clip it though at some point. Okay, so now that the first one's tied, it's going to be a lot easier. You're just going to repeat the process. Okay, take that cord on the right, wrap it around, bring the cord on the left, wrap that around and go right through here. we have our second snake knot. Okay, just tighten that knot up. So definitely try to tie these knots as tight as possible. You don't want them too loose, otherwise it's going to slide everywhere. And that's it. So continue tying this, and if you can start tying a few, and then you can actually move this up here. Okay, so I'm going to go from here all the way to there, from the top to the bottom. Just continue tying those same snake knots, and I'll meet you guys on the other side. All right, so almost done. Just gonna tie one last knot, like so. Okay, get that tied up. And all that's left is we're gonna trim off the excess. And then also you can trim off the excess, you know, on all these cords. I'm gonna leave just a little bit on the red, but for the main colors, I'm just going to snip them as close as I can. All right, so we'll just do that and we'll be finished. Okay, there we have it, guys. We are finished. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Just a different take on the snake knot bracelet, making it adjustable. And as always, here are just a quick look at what it looks like on the wrist. And remember, guys, if you're not subscribed already and you like this content, you want to see more, feel free to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you know when I release videos. All right, that being said, I will see you guys on the next video.